Welcome to Woking Park. It is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it's too nice to not be out in the sunshine. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the amount of phone calls that you make relative to the amount of property that you buy. That seems really strange, but actually a lot of property is negotiated on the phone. So I go to networking events and I have been for probably the last 8 years or something like that. Now I phone, there may be the odd exception, but I phone every single person that's given me a business card. And that starts off the relationship. However, in the last 8 years or so, I've probably received maybe only 5 phone calls. And bear in mind I was doing, 17 events a month at one point. So this is my first recommendation to anyone that is starting out in property. The more people you follow up with, the more property you're going to buy. It really is that simple. If you're looking for deals, you're on the phone, you're talking to estate agents and booking viewings. The chances are these days you put the offer on there and then, but if you want to go home and check and do some due diligence on the property, you're going to be making the offer over the phone again. So my recommendation to anyone is hit the phones. And funnily enough, it's one of the hardest things that my mentees struggle with. This fear of, why does anyone want to talk to me? I get that a lot from mentees. But actually, why wouldn't they want to talk to you? If you're going to be finding deals, you're going to be providing them with profit and regular income, they have a very good reason to give you a call. They probably won't. So if you give them a call, they're going to be very glad they did when you buy your first deal together. I hope that's helpful.